Back to another Zano list video. And in this video, I want to showcase you guys what ZanoBay.com have just released. And they have released gift cards. So now you can purchase gift cards on ZanoBay.com using fUSD and, of course, Zano. So as you can see here, there are 1,000 gift cards that you can choose from. And I'll show you guys how to go ahead and use it. So it's very simple. Obviously, let's just click purchase here on one that you like. This one's available in Belgium. The max amount is €150 and the minimum amount is 46 euros. So let's do 50 here. And I'm going to do an fUSD and then enter your email address. So this is obviously required to receive the gift card. Then I'm going to go ahead and click purchase. And this creates the order now. So as you can see, this is the payment screen. And I will need to send this amount here in fUSD to this QR code or this address. And then, as you can see here, payment can take up to 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will get the email for the gift card. Thank you guys for watching this Zano list video. And if you guys did find this helpful, please do leave a like. Thank you and goodbye.